Welcome. Please pause video to view written information. Uninstall bump stop by removing two bolts with a 15 mm or in some cases a 16 mm socket or wrench. A floor jack from under the receiver can create space between the frame and axle if needed. Left side installation is shown for clarity. The process is the same for both sides. The kit arrives pre-assembled. Start by loosening the axle mount bolt and remove frame mount bolts from each assembly. They are marked left for driver's side and right for passenger side. Install top plate to frame with new hardware. Install assembly to the top plate with 4 1/4 inch by 1 inch carriage bolts and torque to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Constrictor loom is provided to aid insertion of the 3/8 by 1 1/4 inch bolts inside the axle block. Manipulate axle over the bolts and install the nuts. Torque nuts to approximately 25 foot-pounds while ensuring mount is flat atop axle block. Torque the air spring bolt to approximately 25 foot-pounds. Route airline through the frame and out the back side. Completely insert airline into the push-to-connect fitting of the air spring. Airlines are pre-cut about 4 foot and 8 foot. The 4 foot line is for the left side, the 8 foot is for the right and is meant to cross over and meet the left. They have a black protective cap installed to aid routing and keep the line clean. Remove after installation. Secure the right, left, and air fill line to the push-to-connect T-fitting. Secure along the chosen path with zip ties. The air fill line can be placed inside the box, license plate, or anywhere you prefer by drilling a 5/16 hole. Please ensure lines are secured away from exhaust, suspension, and spare tire operation. Fill the system to 100 psi and leak check connections with soapy water and double check all fasteners for securement. Reinstall wheels to recommended factory torque specifications.